He-Man and the Masters of the Universe defined childhood for many, offering thrilling adventures and imparting vital lessons about courage and friendship. This series remains an iconic fixture in the realm of animated television. Although the animation style appears simple by today's standards, it sparked imaginations and fostered a deep connection among viewers, creating cherished memories that continue to resonate. Shiare, Princess of Power, inspired a generation through her bravery and compassion, underscoring the vital lesson of standing up for justice against evil forces. Her character became a beacon of hope for many young viewers. Moving on to Thundercats, this show boasted a rich character roster, featuring iconic heroes like Lion-O and Panthro. Each character brought unique strengths to their quests, becoming enduring symbols of courage and loyalty for audiences. Set against the mystical backdrop of Third Earth, the Thundercats defended their homeland from the ancient sorcerer Mumra. This enchanting setting provided the perfect stage for their numerous heroic deeds. Thundercats left a profound impact on pop culture, inspiring a plethora of merchandise, reboots, and cultivating a dedicated fanbase. Its memorable battle cry, Thundercats HO, continues to evoke nostalgia among viewers. G.I. Joe stands as a symbol of patriotism and courage, featuring characters like Duke and Snake Eyes as they confront threats from villains like Cobra Commander. This narrative of good versus evil captivated viewers with its straightforward moral landscape. Transformers introduced iconic characters such as Optimus Prime and Megatron, representing hope and fear, respectively. Their dynamic rivalry enriched the show's narrative depth, engaging fans on multiple levels. Meanwhile, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles brought unprecedented excitement as they faced off against Shredder and his Foot Clan, capturing the imagination of audiences with thrilling urban escapades. Leonardo led the team with exceptional leadership, while Donatello provided crucial technological support, illustrating the indispensable value of teamwork in their battles against formidable foes. The Turtles confronted a range of intimidating adversaries, including Bebop, Rocksteady, and the sinister Krang, showcasing the constant threats they had to tackle throughout their heroic journey. Their adventures were filled with heart-pounding action and exhilarating encounters, making Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles a beloved spectacle that resonated with audiences of all ages. Inspector Gadget's extendable arms symbolize endless possibilities in adventure. Each gadget offers unique solutions to unpredictable situations, highlighting creativity in problem-solving. Resourcefulness shines through characters like Penny and Brain, who consistently assist Inspector Gadget in his investigations. Their cleverness proves crucial in outsmarting various villains. This series underscores that even the most unlikely heroes can have a significant impact. The camaraderie among characters emphasizes the importance of collaboration and friendship. The series features Jerrica Benton, a music executive by day and a rock star by night, illustrating the duality of her existence. Her journey highlights themes of creativity and resilience. Gem and the Holograms navigate rivalries with the Misfits, showcasing the competitive nature of the music industry. Each episode reinforces the importance of friendship and teamwork amid challenges. With its vibrant animation and catchy melodies, the show creates a nostalgic atmosphere, transforming it into an anthem that encourages viewers to pursue their passions with enthusiasm.